All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. We say very big amen to that, my people. Well, this is another one reaching us right now, my people. The Dua Nation, no going back, and exactly what the people are talking about. All right, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. Well, onto this one, Chief Sunday Igboho sends a very strong message. In fact, should I say this is a message or a warning to all Yoruba nation agitators, to all the set of people who have been clamoring for Yoruba nation. And then this time around, we noticed that there has been some kind of fracas in this Yoruba nation agitation, whereby it had earlier happened between the Yoruba nation agitators and the Professor Banji Akintoye right now, whereby some set of people came out, and they were like, saying trash about Professor Akintoye, that he was trying to embezzle some money and all that. And then for somebody like Professor Banji Akintoye to for people to be saying such a thing about Professor Banji Akintoye, this is to tell you that some set of people do not even want any good thing to happen to the agitation. So then I was not like, is that how you people want to be free, or is that how you want the Yoruba nation to be actualized? Because I see no reason why people will just come out and then the next thing they will just start talking and they're trying to bring some people down. At Professor Akintoye's age, is at the age that will not say he want to embezzle money, and he also already said it that this is not what is making or has been making him to say he is fighting for Yoruba nation agitation. Why would he say it's because of money that is coming in? And then looking at his age, he said how many days or how many months or how many years does he have left to live that would not say, oh, he wants to steal money? So that was cut off, and then the whole thing was later settled. And then this time around, there is another one coming in, and the Chief Sunday Igboho is not happy with the situation. And a lot of the Yoruba nation agitators have been going against and tackling some set of people, and they're talking about some set of people arguing, trying to abusing Iya Fashakin. That's the name that had been given to us, that we are hearing, that we have gathered so far, that this set of people have been going against Iya Fashakin and Iya Onitiri. You can imagine that they have been fighting each other. And at this time around, Sunday Igboho is saying that he is not happy with the situation on ground. That, see, even if you people are trying to say, oh, these people are this, these people are that, you people should not put all your focus on this set of people. Yafa Shakin can never get the actualization of Yoruba nation. And exactly what Chief Sunday Igboho is saying, that everybody have to be very careful about the kind of disputes that they will be bringing up on this movement. That this is not the way that will make Yoruba nation to be actualized. That is so bad that majority of these people will tell you, some set of people are not doing the right thing. Some set of people are doing this, some set of people are doing that. They have not forgotten the movement. And the Chief Sunday Igboho right now is saying that all these people, Iya Fashakin or Iya Onitiri, these people are just trying. These are not the people that want to make you to achieve Yoruba nation. They're not the one that will give you freedom. This one that you are killing yourselves on matter that should not even arise. And he has now sent a lot of warning that if actually you people want Yoruba nations to be actualized, then you should stop all these disputes, like in the midst of the Yorubas. That this is causing a lot of headache, and it's causing some set of people to be running out of the movement. That is this what these people are up to? They are even fighting themselves. They are not gathered. And the Chief Sunday Igboho said that everybody needs to be careful so that the politicians will not be laughing at them, and you people should not even allow the prayer of the Yoruba politicians to be answered, because they will now say, oh yes, we not tell una say they no gather. This is wrong. This is wrong. Stop all these disputes and then face reality. The goal that a lot of people have towards this is for the Yoruba nations to be actualized, for the Yorubas to be free, not to be fighting each other. And this one is getting too much. So Chief Sunday Igboho is saying that if you really want him to be happy about all the stress that he had been facing, that all this should stop. All these arguments and the quarrel should stop. We should stop all these disputes. That why is it that you people are fighting each other? Leave Iya Fashakin alone, leave Iya Onitiri alone, and then let us face reality. This is a very bad thing. Either you are supporting Iya Fashakin or you are supporting Iya Onitiri. Both of them can't save us. They are just trying. None of them can declare Yoruba nation. We should not deceive ourselves. Even talking about Baba Oseni, Iya Fashakin, Iya Onitiri, you people should leave all this set of people alone and let us face reality. Those are the words of Chief Sunday Igboho. And he said, you people should not allow the politicians to now be jubilating. That look at them. We don't win them. We don't tell them and say they don't know what then they do. The movement, what the Yoruba people are facing is the stress alone is more than what you people are even talking about. We are talking about how the Yoruba nation will be actualized, and there's some set of people gather themselves together, causing trouble. This is not supposed to be. And if you people actually want Chief Sunday Igboho to be happy, if you don't want to be an ingrate to somebody who has saved the people. These set of people have tried their best, talking about Chief Sunday Igboho, talking about Professor Banji Akintoye, talking about a lot of them that have been under this struggle to make sure the Yoruba nation get actualized. If you really want this set of people to be happy, then you people should stop fighting each other. Leave Iya Fashakin alone, leave Madam Onitiri alone, leave Baba Oseni alone, because this is not the way Yoruba nation will be actualized. And the Chief Sunday Igboho is not actually happy, and I think everybody this time around needs to wake up. So that's the information that we have gathered so far, and then we have decided to pass it out to all Yoruba nation agitators out there. You people should try as much as possible to do the needful, do the right thing. Do the right thing. The election 2023 election is just by the corner, and though the people have said that no going back on Oduduwa nation, and I think the movement should continue. The agitation should be stronger than the way it had been, instead of fighting each other. Nobody is happy with this situation. Chief Sunday Igboho says he's not happy, that everybody should be careful. All right, and that is exactly what it is right now. Onto this one, and then on to what the people have been talking about, Oduduwa nation, no going back, and exactly what it is. All right, meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.